my boo and my boo riding. All right, you want to say hi to my vlog?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
So we just got home from Walmart and the beauty supply store. And come on. Good, how are y'all? Say thank you. Thank you. And we are about to, come on, Hardy, eat dinner and then eat some dessert. So I'll be back to show you guys Din Din. Today we're having red beans and rice, fried heart of palm salad, and I have some Biscoff cheesecake bites that I made for dessert. So I'll be back to show y'all. I'm putting music over this stuff.
Alright, sound good to me.
Is a 10-minute morning yoga routine that can be done in bed or right on the mat. Focusing on shaking out that achy back, all those achy sensations in your back muscle, in the spine, and the neck, shoulders, so you can move more freely throughout your day. Let's begin on our backs. Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well and you're having a great week so far. Today we're going to be doing a 10-minute full body workout, so grab your mat and let's get started.
Hey vlog. So I'm getting ready to go to the movies with Carl, and I'm here with my sissy. I wanted you guys to meet. Hi guys. So yeah, we were just in the house bonding today, having a good old time. So we might be hanging out later on today. So you guys will see that if we go out tonight. So I'll come back when I get to the movies. All right guys, so we just left seeing It Ends With Us, and it was, I didn't even show y'all Caroline, but I'm with Caroline, and it was the most incredible movie that I've seen in so long. Like, truly a cinematic masterpiece. So now we are getting ready to go out together tonight. So Caroline is trying on a couple outfits, so I'll be back probably when we are checking out and about to leave. I literally was crying at the movie, and I never cry in movies, so please ignore my makeup looking crazy. But yeah. Hello guys, so we are here. Here's Carol. Hello. She got a super cute romper. You guys are gonna see it later when we go out. So we're getting ready to go to Chipotle and get some food. And yeah, we'll be back when we have our yummy food. All right, hey guys. So today is Monday, August 10th. So this week I'm feeling, what's the vibe for this week? The word of the week is progression. We want to do a word of the week, okay? We progressing forward in every aspect of our life. Right now I'm getting ready to go and grab my tripod out of my car because I'm about to film like a deep clean my house with me, but I'm going to do like a little voiceover about just letting things go. So yeah, we're gonna do a little clean with me. Last week's vlog, I didn't end up posting it just because I didn't record enough content of when I was like actually out. I recorded like the in-between of me going to different places, but I didn't record enough of like when I actually got into the places. So we're gonna do better with vlogging this week, and I'm gonna bring y'all through the highs, the lows, the in-betweens. I am getting ready to go through a major transition, so it should be a lot of content for the vlog. Hey, coming up.
Hi guys, we've got this thing. It's a blow dryer. You blow dry hair with it. So let's do it.
Yeah guys, we're unboxing the blow dryer. I took my hair out. I'm about to do it today. I'm gonna show y'all when I'm doing my hair because I'm doing a really simple, cute style. But I have this new blow dryer. I'm super excited to use. This is what it looks like in the box, guys. Okay. Let's see what it's giving. I was going to toss the instructions right in the trash expeditiously. Like, set it up first. It looks pretty easy though. Pretty self-explanatory. Comes with the little brush part. And the little tube part.
Yeah, before I unbox it.
Well, this is a vlog. This is not an unboxing video, so.
You should look at something.
Yeah. Especially for like when we move, we can show like decorating and stuff. I'm gonna cut that out because I'm trying to surprise them like, oh, we just moved.
Because
And then I just told them they were moving, so that'll be cut out. Anyway, we're gonna blow dry a little section of Ajour's hair and we'll see how it works, guys. So we'll be back.
Good afternoon, guys. It is Tuesday, August 13th. They're about to be calling me Mullet Boy soon. Ouch. What's your name, boy? They call me Mullet Boy.
You guys scoot back from you.
Hey, mullet boy, holla.
Do a 360 for them, please. Turn around and show them your mullet. As you can see, mullet boy is in full effect.
Mullet boy.
Please.
See over there.
Yes. It's literally a mullet.
Hey, let's go! Ooh, I'll be like a fender of a car.
Please.
Ah, you got me into a fender bender.
I'm a fender bender.
All right, I'm going to work.
Okay. Let's start
This feels so insane, dog.
washing this dirty hair. I'm gonna do a hot oil treatment first, then I'm gonna do a clay mask, then I'm gonna wash it, then I'm gonna deep condition. It'll be nice and flousy. Let me see what this wig look like, y'all. Hopefully it don't look crazy.
I got two hats on. Look.
No, I actually think this is going to be adorable. I'm going to have to put some waves in it, guys, instead of some lawn curls to blend it, but I think it will, in fact, be yeah, guys, once I put it on and shape it, I will show y'all. I think it's going to be cute. Yeah. I'll be back once I'm all treating my hair. Hey guys, so I didn't show you guys doing my hair, but this is the hair. Very cutesy, very demure. Wait, let me make sure I brought my lip gloss before pulling it out. Yes, I did. I love it so much. So I'm on my way to the woods to do a regular meditation, and then I'm going to do a money meditation, and then I'm going to do a video, possibly a YouTube video. So I have my tripod with me. I'm doing my spiritual awakening story time. If y'all have any content suggestions, my niche is spirituality, holistic health and wellness, and like beauty and fashion. So if there are any specific types of videos you guys want to see, feel free to let me know. But I'll bring you guys to the woods with me once I get to the park. So yeah. All right guys, so we are here at the park and I am getting ready to go to my spot. It's actually like a lot of cars for it to be a Wednesday at 3 o'clock. But we're gonna see if my spot, not me drooling. Girl, you that excited to be here? We're gonna see if, hold on, let me fix my hair real quick. If my spot is occupied. Let's look at the views real fast. Get into the views. Views from the 6th, okay? I'm like screaming in the park, especially when I'm about to be like meditative. Not too much, not too loud, not too obnoxious. Let me see, this tree last time had so many of those new bugs on it. It still does. Not as many, but a substantial amount. A noticeable amount. I'll be back when I'm like closer to my rock, y'all. All right, guys, so we are pretty close to the rock. Hi bugs, hello. Let's be friends and not foes today. There's somebody kind of sort of close and not right on the side. So there's that. They're fishing. Let me show y'all. Are y'all seeing the vibes? Are y'all getting the vibes? Like, it's so vibey. Love it. It's okay, you're not as tall as the trees. I know you might think you're 6'2".
Sorry, I couldn't hear you from up here.
Hey guys, so I am out on a walkie walk with my cousin. And yeah, we're walking and then we're going to meditate. We went and grabbed some food earlier. I had some veggie fried rice. He had a Impossible Hawaiian burger. Should have showed y'all the food, but you know, what can we do? So anyway, I will be back when we get to our meditation location. Was I just here yesterday? Hey guys, so I am on my way to Sky Zone with my daughter and my boyfriend and his daughters. So I'm gonna try to get some content at the Sky Zone. I'll be back. Hey y'all. So I'm gonna do a little quick mukbang before work. I am running late to work, but I'm hungry. And I'm gonna eat because I work on my feet all day. And I'm just feeling a bit tired. But I have some avocado, sushi. My energy today is feeling like I can literally feel every vibration of myself. I know that might sound crazy to some, but like, I don't know. It's not negative, but it's like I can feel every particle vibrating in me. Like I can truly feel the vibration aspect of me. So that's an interesting sensation for sure. I was about to try to eat these with chopsticks, but not today. Oh. I got this from Whole Foods. If you ever are looking for a quick lunch or dinner, the Whole Foods hot section is super elite to me. I really enjoy it. Y'all, something spicy just jumped down my throat. Super crazy. Let's take a sip of some water. And today, my aunt and my cousin are coming to visit me at work, so that's fun. I love when people I know come to visit me. Ooh. Anyway. That spice was crazy. One thing about me, my eyes are quick to water. Let the wind hit it wrong. Let the spice hit my nose crazy. This is spicy now. And I coated it in some soy sauce. You know what? I've been in a pretty good vibration. Good energy. A lot of new beginnings for me. For sure. I had like a situation that I'm going through right now. Not negative. I would say I'm more neutral to it than anything. But I'll give you a little bit more insight once I get through it. And then here I have some curry soup. Based off the ingredients, it looks delicious. I'm just putting some crackers on here. Can I show y'all? Y'all can kind of see it. It's like a brothy soup. This is my first time trying it, so let's taste it together. It's not bad, but I literally expected it to be more sweet. It's definitely a more savory soup. And then I also got a essential water because I didn't fill up my water bottle. I'm actually like kind of about to get a new water bottle because, excuse me, my current water bottle is it's made out of plastic. And of course, I don't keep it in a car or in the sun, but plastic just isn't the best. Material wise, so I want to get like a stainless steel water bottle.